Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark a listing as sold on Facebook Marketplace. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who may have sold something off of Facebook and want to mark it as sold on their Facebook Marketplace. How do you actually go ahead and mark it as sold? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you're first going to do is that you're going to go onto the Facebook app and then click on Marketplace. If you don't see Marketplace on the bottom left-hand side, you could also click on Menu on the bottom right-hand side and then click on Marketplace. These will both take you to the same area. Afterwards, you want to click on Sell on the upper left-hand corner. And then next, you want to click on Your Listings. So Your Listings on the top hand side is going to list out all the listings that you have on Facebook Marketplace. So click on the item that you want to go ahead and mark as sold. As you can see, I clicked on the card binder for trading cards, and now there's a button that says Mark as Sold. So once you click on that, it's going to remove the listing from Facebook Marketplace as you've marked the product as sold. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mark a product as sold on Facebook Marketplace. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.